We're trying to find the average of 2x plus 3 plus 2y minus 4 and 8. So 2x plus 3, 2y minus 4, and an 8. Of course, divide that by 3 and that will give you your average. So that's 2x plus 3 plus 2y minus 4 plus 8 over 3. And it gives me 2x plus 2y. 3 minus 4 is negative 1 plus 8. That's a 7 over 3. All right, so that's what I'm trying to find. Go back here. It tells me that the mean of x and y and 20 is 11. So x, y, and 20 divided by 3, that gave me 11. So what I did was I cleared my fractions by multiplying both sides by 3. And those canceled, so I'm left with x plus y plus 20 equals 33. And then I moved the 20 to the other side. So we know that x plus y is 13. And see how I saw that x and that y here? If you factor the 2 out, try to get an x plus y by itself so I can substitute in 13. Plus 7 over 3. Well, another name for x plus y is 13. Plus 7 over 3. That's 26 plus 7 over 3. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. It's 33 over 3. So this average is 11.